Hello, welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 29th May 2017. Metals Update assessed offers of mild steel ingots at Mandi Govindgarh market is Rs 27,800 per ton, which gained by 0.54% week on week. MS scrap offers were registered at Rs 20,800 per ton, which decreased by 2.88% week on week. Also, the prices of MS ingots at Mumbai market were registered at Rs 26,600, increasing by 1.52% over the last week. Trade in the market is on the lower side as businesses await implementation of GST and lower level of prices is witnessing buying for the purpose of stocking. On account of measures taken by government, the steel imports have decreased significantly and amount of steel exported was larger than the imports, making India a net exporter of steel. The steel export increased by a significant 102.1% during April 2016 to March 2017, while steel imports showed a decline of 36.6% at 7.427 million ton in the same period. Jindal Steel and Power Limited (JSPL) is all set to commission its blast furnace operation at the Angul Integrated Steel Plant, Odisha. The blast furnace is the latest addition to the Angul Steel Complex of the JSPL and has a capacity of 4 million tons per annum and is equipped to produce 11,000 tons of steel. The production from the Angul plant will increase to 1.5 lakh ton in June 2017 and reach 3 lakh tons in October. Hindustan Zinc has decreased zinc prices by Rs 1700 per metric ton today. Special high grade is now priced at 1,95,800 rupees as compared to Rs 1,97,500 per metric ton on 25th May 2017 at Tarapur Stock Point. Hindustan Zinc has increased lead prices by Rs 1200 per metric ton today. Lead of 99.99% concentration is now priced at Rs 1,63,200 per metric ton as compared to Rs 1,64,400 rupees per metric ton on 25th May 2017 at Tarapur Stock Point. In international offers, 99.9% purity copper cathodes are being offered at Rs. In international offers, 99.9% purity copper cathodes are being offered at $5,100 per metric ton CIF Steinway. 99.7% purity aluminum ingots are being offered at $2,300 per ton FOB Singapore. Stainless steel melting scrap 304 grade of Middle East origin is being offered at $1,435 per metric ton CFR Nhava Sheva. Stainless steel melting scrap 201 grade of Middle East origin is being offered at $835 per ton CFR Nhava Sheva. Thank you for listening. Do join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.